Hey, welcome back to the channel. And today's adventure consists of going blueberry picking in Brooksville, Florida. Me and my friend are getting ready to go. We're gonna pick some blueberries, have a great time, and we're gonna go to a hot pot for lunch. So let's go on this adventure together. Oh, and I gotta show you, because I'm doing hot pot, I got baby Goku. So come on. All right, we are at the Margoes Blueberry Farm. So let's go pick some blueberries. I had to take a picture in the blueberry cutout, which was so cute. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. All right, we're about to go get our buckets. Yes.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. All right, so here are some blueberries. They are absolutely beautiful. So I had to get in a quick selfie with me and my friend, and we are so hot and sweaty. Okay. Look at these blueberries, you guys. So as I was picking, I found this baby bird, and I think he was super scared. So they have rows and rows of blueberries. I mean, over here and way over there. And you can just pick them as you go. So look at that. So good. Oh my gosh. So we ran into each other again, and he was not happy. Oh crap. I just dropped a big one. Oh, I got it. This was a size comparison to how big these blueberries were. Listen, and you can hear gunshots that they are shooting. So they told us that the gunshots are for the birds, so they will not eat the blueberries, which is pretty cool. I guess I'm a bird.
It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't! Oh, well, a bird. A bird, a word, well, a bird. A bird, a word, well, a bird. And I'm eating blueberries. But look how beautiful these are. All right, so we already made it through one path, and there's like a million paths to go, but this is gonna be my new path, and hopefully we get some big old berries. And there is tons of people out here, and it is very beautiful today, and gunfire is everywhere. Look how beautiful these blueberries are. And this is the bucket. So it's $5 a pound of blueberries. So you pick as many as you want, and every pound is $5. And I will have the description below where this is here in Florida. We are in Brooksville. Sorry, I have some, it is so hot out here. It's like 87 degrees out here. So I will put the location in the description where this blueberry farm is. And we're gonna continue to pick. And they have an ice cream truck out here. So now, excuse the sweaty face, we're gonna go ahead and go down, way down here and see what they have. But my bucket is pretty much full. So let's do this. All right, so the gunshots that we're hearing is this thing right here. You just heard it? This is for the birds, so they will not eat the blueberries. So this thing is pretty cool. All right, we are in a new section now. This is all the way towards the back over there. So I am still looking for a little bit more. These look very small compared to the ones we had up front. These are a lot sweeter down here. And they're a lot smaller, as you can see. All right, I have my 1.5 pounds of blueberries, and we are going to head out of here and explore the city, and then we're gonna get hot pot for lunch. So I look forward to that, and Goku is ready too. Hey, now that we're done blueberry picking, we are at Mr. Hot Pot right there, and I'm gonna take you along with me and show you what we get. So I started at the cold bar, and they had seaweed salad, they had squid salad. I'm sorry, these children were so rude and would not move, but they have all the fruits, jello, lychee, they had all types of edamame. So now I'm at the protein bar. This is some head-on shrimp that I grabbed, and they had some fresh Gulf shrimp, or like maybe medium to large size. They were so plump and juicy. I grabbed a lot. And this was some blue mussels that I grabbed over here. And then I slid my plate over to some black mussels. They had little weenies and spam over there as well, which I do not eat. And I moved to the squid and the clams. So I grabbed a few clams right there. And here's some squid that I grabbed. And then I moved over to where the calamari was, and I grabbed a few slivers of that. And here are some bay scallops, which were delicious. Next, I grabbed some crawfish, and they had some salmon and some half of a crab over there as well. All right, we're gonna try some chicken. And that is it. gonna get a little bit more beef. But I like beef. So I got some cilantro. I'm gonna get some green onions, garlic, and we're gonna do some soy sauce. And this is for the meat to dip it in. And then we're gonna do a little bit of poison. You know what, just a little bit more soy sauce. And that's it. All right, so this is my spread right here. And I got some meat in here, and I got the spicy hot pot, and that's my dipping sauce. All right, we are done at the Mr. Hot Pot, which is always delicious here in Spring Hill. I am about to be heading back home, but I had a wonderful time blueberry picking. And if you have not liked and subscribed to the channel, I will have the address down below in the description if you are interested in blueberry picking. And I will be going to Oregon in the next 2 weeks, so I look forward to filming there as well for my next adventure. See you later. Peace.